Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Ryan back again with another video. We are at Quatier station for the REM. And this is something new on my YouTube channel. It's something I wanted to do for a long time, and that's to do an elevator ride. Something I never did on my YouTube page until today. So here's your new elevator with a nice little screen display. And yeah, we're gonna go for a little ride. Alright, so this is what the new elevator looks like. It's got a nice little screen display. Honestly, I think that's something that the Metro will install in their stations soon. But yeah, take a look at this. Got some fancy lights. Alright, so let's go to floor number 1. Now I love how these things are sound. Yeah, it's really cool. There's the REM train going towards Broussard Station, which is just us over there. And yeah, that takes me to it, so yeah. Yeah, so got the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care.